Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how you can create your pin on Pinterest with Canva. So Canva is a very good tool for a very good website for your Pinterest. If you want to create pin, it's very good. You can create multiple pins with Canva. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please you can just subscribe. You're gonna see the subscribe button down below. Just smash the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get more of my videos. I post videos on how to do some things, different ways on how to do them, and things you don't know how you can do it. I'm going to teach you how you can do those things right here in my YouTube channel. So today we are on Canva. You can see Canva right here on canva.com, and it's going to be showing this right here. So right here we want to create a pin, which you can click right here on social media, right? So it's going to be taking you to, you're going to be seeing different things you can do. This is interesting. So you're going to be clicking on this right here, or you can click on create a new design, which is actually going to be showing you a poster right here. So you're going to click on this, which is going to take you to this bar. So right here we want to create a design. So you can try and create a design from scratch by finding your own picture, like the background, then maybe, or you can take a template right here. Some templates are free. You see free template right here, and there are some that are actually they are not free actually. So you gotta check very well, unless you won't be able to download them. So I think I have a picture right here. So let's say I want to create a a a pin on weight loss or so. So let me check. Let's say I want to create pin on weight loss. So I got this pics right here. You can get your own picture, right? The one like this. Let me drag it right here. I'm gonna fix it. So right here I'm creating from scratch. You can get the template. You can get your own template on, and the Canva gave you guys many templates, so you can try anyone you want. But actually I'm creating from scratch right here. So you see this picture, you can get yours on unsplash.com. I'm going to leave the link in my description below, so you can check on it. So right here you see a picture is actually like, the picture is actually like showing you that the girl has lose weight actually. And we are saying something. We want to bring up the pin. We are creating a pin on on weight loss. So right here you see this actually describes everything. So right here I can just bring the text. So you can try and blur this one actually, since I'm going to be writing the text on it. So I'm going to adjust. Then since you've clicked on this, then I'm going to change this. I'm going to change maybe to 2. See, actually you see it's not that sharp anymore, it's kind of blur. So right here I'm going to be creating an heading right. So let's say I want to weight loss within 2 days, within a week. So I'm gonna lose weight within a week. So we're gonna bring lose weight. So I'm gonna bring this right up. Within losing a week. So right here, I'm gonna change this color to black actually. So you see, so lose weight within a week. So you see this around like this one is this picture is actually showing them that the girl lost weight. So I'm going to be showing here lose weight within a week. Then maybe I'm going to be bringing one element right here. You can decide to bring this down right here or bring it up, and you can change the color actually. So right here I'm going to be finding a shape. Let's see this one. Let's see how it will be. So actually this one is not transparent, so I'm actually gonna delete it right here. So I'm gonna maybe you're gonna bring this dot line right here. See, so I'm gonna bring it down. So actually decide to bring that also upward. So I'm gonna bring this one. I'm gonna bring it like this. So actually you can try and curve everything. I can try and shape everything. So we're gonna reduce it to make it perfect. So right here, see, we're gonna reduce it. So this is how the stuff is gonna be. You see, lose weight within a week. So you can change the color right here and change it. So right here you can just write a text, blue, a small text maybe. So I'm gonna delete this, move it right down. Now save. Oh, right. You can decide to change how this is. Maybe right here I'm going to change it to 40 right here. So you see right here. So I'm going to change the color also. Or let's say I want to change the font. And bring it to something thick. Let's see how it's gonna be. So that's how it's gonna be. Maybe I'm going to increase this to 45. Let's see. So I'm going to bring this right here, change the color to maybe red, change the color to red. So lose weight within a week, then how I lose weight within a week. So they're gonna be looking at it like, wow, so I can lose weight within a week. You understand? So you're gonna be downloading that right here. See, it's gonna be showing you a PDF. So we don't want a PDF right there. So we want this high quality image right here. So you're gonna download it. Right, it's gonna be showing you download right here. So it's gonna be preparing your design, and you're gonna download it. It's gonna be showing you right here. So if you want to try it free for 30 days, if you want to try this, so all these premium premium template and everything for 30 days, then you can actually go there and click on this. You're going to pay, and then you're going to try for 30 days for free, and you're going to be using your money also. So this is actually how you can use Canva to create pin. See, it's already downloaded. This stuff is already right here, so you can just post it to your Pinterest and voila, that's all. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the subscribe button and press the notification button. If you like this video, please press the like button right there, and comment if you don't understand some things about this. Please comment in the comment section, and if you want me to make another video on something, maybe you don't understand something or you're having a challenge on something, then you can just tell me. I'm going to make a video on it and I'm going to post it. So just subscribe and press the notification button so that you can get notified when I drop it. Thank you.